lovelies, welcome back to another video. In this one we're going to be talking about inner conversations. We're going to tell you how to do it, when to do it, and we're going to give you a quick tutorial of how to use it when you're manifesting what it is you want. So stay tuned. I'll be your light.
Hey lovelies, welcome back to the Manifestation Sisters community. My name is Leah.
My name's Tia.
Here on this channel we are helping you to master your mind and manifest all of your desires. Before we jump into the video, we want to let you know that myself and Tia do offer our one-to-one Next Level You coaching. If you'd like to find out more about that, the link is in the description box down below, so let's jump into the video. So what is an inner conversation? And an inner conversation are the mental rehearsals we're having with ourselves throughout the day basically, and the mental rehearsals we might be having with other people in our lives, say our specific person, or our rehearsals around money, inner rehearsals with anyone in our life basically, or anything. So when it comes to an inner conversation, we can really start to tell ourselves all the things that we would like to hear, or envision someone else telling ourselves all the things we would like to hear. And I think it's a very powerful tool and technique. Even you could look at your affirming as inner conversations really, because these are the mental rehearsals that we're saying to ourselves. So when we're doing it in a conversation, I think it's really key to get clear on what it is you would like to manifest and what you would like to hear. So there are different types of inner conversations in my opinion. I think you can have an inner conversation where you imagine people saying things to you, or you can imagine people congratulating you, or you can imagine yourself saying the things that you need to say to yourself, and just really it invokes the state of being the person experiencing what it is you want to experience. So that in a nutshell is what an inner conversation is, and I love inner conversations. They are one of my favourite tools and techniques, and it really helps me to shift into the version of me that is experiencing what it is I want to experience.
Sorry guys if you can hear noise in the background. So that was a perfect explanation of what it is. So before we jump in with an actual tutorial of how to do it, which Leah's going to lead for you guys, we're just going to say why it works. And the reason why it works is because everyone is you pushed out. We say you manifest who you are on a moment-to-moment basis, what you dominantly think. So you've got to think to yourself, if I'm dominantly having conversations with myself which imply that what I want is done, I'm getting myself into the state of being that version of me. And we know your subconscious mind is always listening. So if you think to yourself, I'm always having an inner conversation around that which I want, that attains to that which I want, that implies that it's either done or it's on its way, and I'm dominantly being that version of myself, it has to manifest. And that's why it works, because you're literally changing your state on a moment-to-moment basis to essentially apply that you are this version of yourself. You're being the version of yourself on a moment-to-moment basis, more dominantly, that has what it is you want.
Exactly, and you're really invoking that inner felt experience of really saturating your internal world with hearing the things that you want to hear, and then that's going to get pushed out, and it really helps you to shift and feel good within yourself. For the sake of this, I'm going to do it around a specific person, because I know there's many people on our channel that are predominantly manifesting their specific person or new love. So, and this you can do it with money, you can do it with anything, you can do it with siblings, you can do it with friends, you can do it with your boss, you can do it with anything you want to manifest really, but for the sake of this, it's a specific person. So say you want to manifest a committed relationship with your specific person. Currently you're not really getting that, or you might be in no communication with your specific person. Whatever it is, you can just apply it to however you want. So with me, I kind of get clear on like, okay, what are the things I would need to hear, or that would imply I'm in this relationship, or that SP is coming towards me and SP is giving me what I want. So I like to close my eyes and put my hand on my chest. I kind of just close my eyes and I just sit with myself for a period of time. This is how I do it. I do it in my day, or I might do it in the morning or in the evening. So just set aside, it could take a few minutes, it doesn't have to take very long, but it's going to really help you to get into that state. So I'm going to shut my eyes and I'm going to just imagine my SP saying the things that I would need to hear. I can have him say all my affirmations that I've been affirming back to myself, or things that imply we're in this relationship. So I would hear him say like, you're amazing, you're incredible, I choose you, I want to be with you, I love you, you're the best thing that's ever happened to me, I love being in this relationship with you, I'm so happy with you, I want you forever. And it's those kind of little things like that. It's so simple, but it makes you feel so good, because you're envisioning this person saying all your affirmations back to you basically, because you might be telling yourself that I'm chosen, I'm loved, I'm wanted, I'm in a beautiful, happy relationship. And then you're also hearing your SP say those things to you as well. Repeat those affirmations back to you. Say how happy he is in the relationship with you. And really, in that moment, you're selecting that reality and that version of you where you're experiencing that right now. And then you could also do that with money, like I said. And I know I said I wouldn't give an example, but I'm going to give an example because, you know, I just give.
Yeah.
So basically, again, I would just literally hear like, oh my God, money is always coming towards me. Money loves me. Money loves to spoil me and adore me. Money loves to support me. Money is always coming to me. I always have more than enough money. Money is abundant in my reality. Money is my birthright. And maybe I could hear someone say to me, like a family member or even my SP, because everyone in my reality is here to support me. It'd be like, you're so abundant. It's amazing seeing you have so much money. Money is always supporting you. You always have more than enough money. It's amazing how abundant you are. You're just so abundant in your reality. I love seeing you thriving. I love seeing you so happy and fulfilled. Like, they're the kind of inner conversations you can be having with yourself around money, and it's really helping you to get into that state and evoke that. So that's how simple an inner conversation can be. You are literally just saturating your inner experience, and that's going to invoke those feelings within you to be like, oh my God, this is actually who I am and this is what I'm experiencing.
Because I always feel like thoughts are the language of the mind, feelings are the language of the body.
Exactly.
So when I'm having like that inner conversation with myself, like exactly what Leah just done, around that which I want, I'm essentially in that moment being the version of me that has what I want.
Yes.
And you do that on a consistent and dominant basis. It's a practice, guys, like we say. It's a choice that you make with yourself. It has to manifest. It's that simple. We don't need to overcomplicate it. Like, it's a choice and a decision you deliberately choose with yourself each day around whatever it is you're manifesting. That is literally inner conversations in a nutshell.
Yeah, so if you're like me and you want to sit with yourself and do it like I said, or if you're going about your day, you're driving in your car, obviously you're not going to shut your eyes, or you're doing your dishes or whatever it is, you can just imagine, like, just sit with yourself in that moment and just hear the things that you need to hear. It doesn't matter if you can't hear the person's actual voice, it doesn't really matter, or if you're just saying whatever you need to say for yourself in that moment. It is like affirming, but you're just really just imagining someone else say it to you, or you could imagine yourself saying it to yourself. It really doesn't matter. Just have a play with it, really see if it's something that resonates with you, and maybe add it into your routine, and maybe just do it throughout your day, and it's going to really help you shift and align to the version of you that already has what you want now, and you've shifted yourself into that reality.
Yeah, and we also, I just want to add to that, we have affirmation rampages on our channel, and we know affirmations are just new thoughts, but doing them rampages, it's another type of inner conversation, because like Leah said, you're incorporating into your day, you're being that person more deliberately, and you're being that person that thinks these thoughts more deliberately, just while you're doing your day-to-day activities, and that's you shifting. So that's also another way that you can do it.
Yeah, for sure. So really let us know what you thought about this, if you're already doing it yourself or it gave you more clarity, because there's really no right or wrong way to do it. You're basically just speaking to yourself or hearing other people say the things that you want to say, or hearing them congratulate you on great success, or whatever it is. It doesn't really matter. You can just speak to yourself and hear whatever you need to hear, really. So if you like this video, be sure to share, comment and subscribe, as it helps the channel grow and reach as many people as possible. As we said at the start of the video, myself and Tia do offer our Next Level You one-to-one coaching. The link is in the description box down below for that, and we'll see you in the next video.